Hi there, welcome back to another Quick Win Wednesday. In this video, we're going to talk about something awesome that was announced at LaraCon US in Dallas, Texas, by Taylor Otwell himself during his keynote. So let's dive into it. It's actually about deferring something. All right, let's go. Okay, so I have this little test command here, which holds just a handle function with a array call that is initiating a start of an event, also a finishing one, and this generate accountancy report, which has a sleep for 5 seconds, and that's basically it. So if we go over to Warp here and we run this command, you can imagine, I'm just going to blow this up a bit, we have a starting array call, then we have the done performing accountancy report generation, and then finishing right after that in the same second. So normally what we would do in this kind of thing, we would actually create a job that would be executed on a queue and the queue would run. But sometimes that is a lot of work and a lot of hassle to perform on a server while we only need to do this one simple thing. And we don't want our user to be waiting for this. So imagine we're doing this instead of in a command on a web page that you click a button and you need to wait for 5 seconds. That's not that cool, right? So we can actually do this with the new defer function. So this is how we're going to do this. So what we're going to do, we're actually going to have this call here in the background. So instead of putting this in a job on a queue, we're going to say defer, and defer is going to take in a closure. So fn arrow function like that. So this is a closure of this generate accountancy report. And if we run this again, and I'm just going to Command K to clear my screen, run this again, we get starting finished. So we're actually going straight to the end, and in the background, the job is performed. I think this is pretty cool because we don't need to have a queue running and dispatch jobs on that queue to put something in the background. So if you don't have a server running with Redis or something like that, you can now even just have the same performance for your users and doing something in the background for them and notifying them afterwards with this little neat defer function. It's actually a helper function. So available for us since Laravel version 11.23. So whenever you type Laravel new these days, you get this for free. So I hope you learned something from this one, and I will see you in one of the next videos. Take care. Bye bye.